Can I drink tequila in slow motion? Oh my god, okay. Starting when I hold it. Okay, starting now. Who did it up so tightly? This is extremely annoying. I can't. I gotta get it off. I'm sorry. I'm just impatient. Okay, let's start from now. Starting now. That slow motion made me take a huge sip, and I didn't want to do that. No, I can't drink it, and I don't want to drink in slow motion. I don't want to be in slow motion. Come on, move in. Keep it together, keep it together, keep it together, keep it together. Well, then. Ah, the burn inside my mommy shop, do, mommy.